This is the Provirtec mist-free evaporative humidifier. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. Inside the package, you are going to get the evaporative humidifier itself. You are going to get the filter that comes with it. You're going to get the power cable that plugs into the back, which is about 6 foot long, which is good. And you are going to get the easy-to-read instructions. The unit itself is about 13 inches tall at its tallest point, about 7 inches across. And without water, it weighs in at about 3.5 pounds. So it's pretty lightweight. Without the water in it, it's a little top heavy and it's made of a smooth plastic. So it can be a little slippery if you have dry hands. I just wanted to point that out. On the bottom, there are 4 rubber feet. This is a cool evaporation mist-free humidifier that can deliver up to 330 milliliters per hour of clean moisture without visible mist. And it's designed for rooms up to 200 square foot. Now let's take a look at the tank. The top pulls off easily, the filter comes out easily. It is wide open, and as you can see, it is round, so it's super easy to clean to get in there. The reusable filter is also easy to clean, and it is machine washable. The way you do that is on the top here with the smaller hole section, you just turn this counterclockwise, and this filter can be taken off and removed. Then you just put it back on, lock this into place, and you're good to go. On the bottom here, you can see there's a little bump out right there. So that bump out's going to line up with this larger section of the filter. So you can only put it in one way and have it fit on there right. And once you set the filter in there, it's super easy to fill up the tank. You just add as much water as you want up to the max line here. And this thing holds 3 liters. Then you just put the top back on. There's a couple of arrows that line up, sets into place, and you're good to go. All right, let's go over the panel here. Right here's the power button. Press and hold that. Machine powers up. You have 3 different modes: speed 1, speed 2, and speed 3. The next mode is the auto mode, and you can set a target humidity. You got 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60 for your target humidity, and it will shut off when it hits that target. Over here we have a sleep mode. So when you hit sleep mode, you have speed 1, 2, or 3, and whichever one you pick, after 3 seconds, it'll shut the lights and panel down so you can sleep and it'll run. So on top here, you have a light, and there are, I think, 5 different settings. LOO is obviously off. LO1 is 100%. Then it goes to 80, 50, 30. And then it does what they call breathing, where it'll cycle from 0 to 100, hold for a second, go back down to 0 again. So here's the UV light button. And that's only going to work with this thing, obviously, put together and filled up. We have a child safety lock in here. If you press and hold this, it goes into child safety lock mode. We can't do anything here until we unlock it by pressing and holding it again. This button is a dual button. It functions as a 12-hour timer. You can set the machine to shut off from 1 to 12 hours, as you can see here. And it also functions as a filter reset button. So when it comes time to change your filter and you put a new one in, you press and hold this, and it will reset the filter. So there you go, nice looking mist-free evaporative humidifier that would be great for rooms in the 100 to 200 square foot range, maybe an office, a bedroom, a dorm room, whatever you want. Probably good for like an RV too. Very nice.